Welcome back. Today we're talking about our favorite travel items. These are items that we love taking with us on our trips and we never want to leave home without. So today I have with me my friend Amie. You've seen her in a one-on-one travel style video and you've seen her in my Australia videos. And today Amie is here in Ohio, so I'm super excited to have her back. And we're going to sit down, chat about our favorite items, and so, well, let's just get into it. First off, I have trail mix. Trail mix is my absolute favorite item to bring because it's easy to carry. There's no real expiration date. Well, it takes forever for it to expire. It's tasty. It doesn't have an offensive smell, and it has like nuts and sweet stuff in it. So I cover all my bases. Like if I'm on a plane and I'm hungry, this is what I'm gonna be grabbing. So I never leave home, whether it's a long trip or a short trip, without trail mix. All right, Amie.
Okay. For me, I'm a huge fan of face masks. This is because I find sometimes you're sitting next to someone, they leave the window open, so this is the easiest way to fall asleep. Some flights provide them, but I've realized a lot of flights don't, so this is a safe haven when you want to go and take a nap on the plane.
For me, my other item is Vaseline. And this one's petroleum jelly, but it could be Vaseline in a small, like, travel size container. It's always in my carry-on. I learned the hard way that this is exactly what I need to take with me each and every time, because when I'm on a plane and, you know, the recycled air gets dry, I get nosebleeds a lot. And so Vaseline helps me stop nosebleeds. It moisturizes the inside of my nose. And if I'm sneezing a lot, it also moisturizes the outside of my nose, so I don't get like the peeling skin around my nose. I usually just take like a tissue or a Q-tip and I apply it on the inside or the outside or whatever I need. And I keep this with me. And also is great for hands. So moisturizing everything, and it doesn't have like a super strong scent. I love that, like no offensive scents in small spaces. So Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly. That's what I like to take with me in my carry-on.
Right. My next item is earphones. You can use these when you just want to meditate, or sometimes they have free movies on the plane. So I find these...
Or even on like a train or a bus ride or anything, headphones are always great. I always take them with me as well because I take them with me every day. Like they're in my purse. I have them every day, so.
Yep, fabulous.
My next item is face wipes. I love face wipes because when you're like on a train for a long period of time, you want to feel clean no matter where you are. Even on a plane or a car ride or a road trip, anything, face wipes help a lot. Like, it just gets all the dirt off, it moisturizes your skin, and it's just great to have. And again, these have no offensive smell, so that's a big thing with me in small spaces. So I never leave home without face wipes. I always get a new pack for each trip in case I'm running low or whatever I need to do. And they work like multiple things. Like it can even wipe down the area around me if it's really super bad. But I usually just use these on my face and like my neck or something like that. So never leave home without these. Almost poke my eye out. Never leave home without these.
Great, Savannah. My next item is... Did we do travel adapter?
We haven't done it.
Okay, great. It depends where I'm going, but if I'm flying internationally, this is a must-do. I can charge my cell phone, and I've noticed a lot of flights, they also have a charging port on the airplane, which is a great bonus. So I find these a great necessity when traveling internationally.
The ones like this. It's like an all-in-one type deal. Like they have the Europe plug right here, and it says it, and then it has the U.S. and Japan and things, and you just turn them depending on what country you're in. So that's just great. And it has a surge protector in it as well for the different watts or whatever you call them.
Yeah.
But this is also great. So I think everyone should have one, and it helps you lock it and unlock it. And mine has it where you like flip it to whatever country you need, and you pop out the springs depending on what country you're in. So these are also great to have, especially flying internationally or going somewhere internationally. Awesome. My next and last item is a 2-for-1 thing, because these are 2 things that I never go on a trip without, whether it's a road trip, bus trip, train trip, hotel, or flight trip, whatever. I never leave home without these, and I usually also have them in my bag every day as well. And it's this special little pen right here, because it's not just a pen, it is also a flashlight. It has a little flashlight on the end, which is great for finding things in a dark airplane or a train or something. And you can still like write your notes down in your journal for your traveling and everything like that. So I never leave home without this. And it's great in a hostel as well, because you know, if you're in a dorm and it's dark and you're trying to find something and you don't have to turn the light on, you don't have to have a giant flashlight with you, and it's in your pocket, you can carry it around, or if a power goes out somewhere, I always have this. So you can find them in like Staples and stuff like that, but I like this metal pen, and I like the it's easy to write with and everything, so I never leave home without this.
My last item is a book. If I'm going to a place I've never been before, I usually grab a travel book. So recently I went to Hawaii, and I checked this out from the library, as you can see, from Sydney Library. Yes, I renewed it online. So
I was going to say, did you ever return it?
Yeah. Yeah, and I love it because while I'm on the plane, I can research places I want to go to. So I feel prepared when I land.
You have so many tabs. That's great. Look at all the places she wanted to visit in her trip to Hawaii.
Yes, I visited a lot of them, not all of them, but that's for next time. Another book that I'm reading actually is by my friend Brian Thomas. I'm almost done with it. It's on Marketing Automation Foundation. I'm really passionate about marketing, and I think you should read it. If you're starting your own business, I feel like he goes through the basics quite well.
I like to bring a good book as well, but
Yeah.
I usually I can't do technical books like that. I have to do like fun fiction books. Like I usually do murder mysteries, or if I'm going somewhere I haven't been before, like let me think. Well, anywhere. I usually get a book set in that place, and I read it on the way there, so I can get some
inspiration.
I don't even know. It's just I like reading stories about places that I'm going to that I've never been before. So it's fun. I usually bring a fiction book with me. So I'm usually reading Agatha Christie or like a James Patterson book or something, a murder mystery, like a thriller. I need something fake and entertaining and grabbing me and just taking me on an adventure, even though I'm going on a real adventure. So that's what I like to bring with me. So those are our favorite travel items, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like, share, and comment, and we'd love to hear your favorite travel items, so leave them in the comment box below. We would appreciate that. I would appreciate that. I would love it very much. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button or wherever it is, but please subscribe so you can get more videos. I'll see you next time.